last time we added a getImage function to our network controller. This time, let's add some new files. And what we want to do is we want to be able to get the documents directory. Then we want to be able to save an image to the documents directory. And then finally, we want to be able to open an image from the documents directory. So let's make a new file called File Manager Extensions. I think that's right. And let's extend it, File Manager. And this first function will get the documents directory. You might hear the dogs are starting to stir behind me. When we get the URL for the user's document directory. Okay, very good. And we'll return the first path. What am I missing here? Oh, I typed get twice. So this should return our documents directory. I think I will also put our open function in here. Seems like a good place for it to me. And then we'll create a new file in a moment here that extends UIImage. It'll actually be very similar to this one in many respects. Appending path component, and we'll pass it the name. And we'll create an image from the contents of the file of file name path. And then let's log that. I'll pass it this so we can filter on that. And this is using that new log function. And then we need to return that image. Okay, so we can get the documents directory. We can load an image. Let's create an extension of UIImage. We'll name it UIImage Extensions. That looks right. And we'll actually have to either import SwiftUI or UIKit. I guess SwiftUI will import UIKit, I think. So let's write that extension. And the name of the function, I'm going to call it save JPEG named string. It would probably be good to return like a Boolean or something. I might add that sometime later, but not today. I'm actually going to go back in here. I'm going to copy this from our load image extension. Let's see, and then, oh, got to capitalize that. So it's a type. Named, oh, we could just name it name, I guess. And then we'll attempt to write that to the file name. Oop, and we don't need that, certainly. Okay, so we get the documents directory. And we're going to log that just so we can see what's going on. I'm going to put a saved here. It's getting that old warning. Gotta love that. Loaded. And everything builds. We could write some tests for this, I suppose, or perhaps a view. But I think what I'll do instead is just, in the next video, we'll go ahead and write our cached async image, and we'll test it live while we do that video.